Okay, now that you have changed the sharing settings and copied the link to your document, the next step is to get that link over to someone that you want to edit your document. And you can send it to me if you'd like. I already should have access through the assignment submission, but here's how you share it with a classmate. You're going to go back to Basecamp, okay? And we're going to click on this Office 365 button, okay? I've showed you this once before. This is just a reminder. When you click that, it'll open up a window like this, okay? And I want you to go down and I want you to click on Outlook. See that little O right there with the little envelope? That's for email. So click that and you'll get your email. You can click now here. It should look something like this. You won't have the fancy Lego deal like I've got there, but uh, you'll still nonetheless have a new message button like this up here. You'll click that, and then in the to line, you can start to type in somebody you want to write to send them your link. I'm just going to write to myself, okay, and I'm going to say subject line, unboxing link, and then in here, hopefully it has it, and there it is. And I'll just press, how I did that, I pressed Control V. Alternately, I believe you can right click if you'd like and click paste as well. Okay, that's another way you can do that. As you know, I'm going to send that to myself, which you would be sending it to another person, and then you would be able to click on the link and open it up. Whoever gets it. Okay, so that's how you share it with a classmate.